Lampasan ang lahat ng pagsubok na dumaan. At i-claim na natin to mga kapuso, 2023 will be our year! Kaya handa na ba kayo? Mga nasa Mindanao, kamusta dyan?
Let's go!
Let's go ang mga kapuso natin sa Visayas. Lalo na ang mga nasa Marco Polo, Cebu. Sigurado akong napaka-naingay na dyan ngayon. Oh, grabe.
Let's go!
Ang buong Luzon at Metro Manila handa na rin. Here we go mga kapuso! Salubungin na natin ang bagong pag-asang dala ng bagong taon in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
problema, isipin pa rin natin na we are all blessed.
For 2023, I hope and pray for everyone na maging healthy tayong lahat.
My hope for 2023 will be like there will be peace within our hearts.
From Zamboanga City, Happy New Year, Kapuso!
Halindiri sa Iligilas City.
Bacolod City,
Happy New Year, mga kapuso!
Mula dito sa GMA Bicol,
Happy New Year mga kapuso!
Happy New Year, City of Love!
Mula dito sa Batangas City Police Station, Happy New Year, mga kapuso.
For 2023 is to have good health and abundance and prosperity.
Be successful in the business and to provide a better future for my kids.
Happy New Year, mga kapuso!
I just genuinely want you guys to just pursue whatever makes you happy.
More blessings and positivities, and God bless us all.
You know, more blessings, more life, and more good energy and vibes.
You gotta make sure that you stay connected to your loved ones. If not now, definitely this year and the New Year's.
We just want to wish everybody the best New Year and the best year they can possibly have with their family.
Happy New Year, mga kapuso!
Mula sa amin dito si GMA RTV Balitang Bisdak, we wish you all
Happy New Year, mga kapuso!
Mula sa GMA Regional TV Live, Happy New Year sa inyong lahat!
Simple lang, good health for everybody is what we hope